Kmart Toy Testers!
Hi, I'm Tilly, and today I'm going to be testing my next toy. There's maybe something's clunking in there. Let's open it up. It's a sparkling, squishy soap. Whoa! This is so cool! Check this out. It's a sparkly, squishy soap kit. There's cool colours, there's glitter, there's soap. And when you mix the ingredients in, you make a squishy and with these cute little faces. First, I'm going to pour my flour. Now I'm going to pour my liquid soap in. Now I'm going to mix. Now it's time to get messy. Now I'm going to roll it into a bowl to make the squishy soap. Now I'm going to turn them into my squishy shapes. I made my star, my poop and my panda face. Now Mum's going to cook them on the stove and I'll bring them back when they're finished. Now I'm sticking their cute little faces on. Now I've got some cute squishy soaps to use in the bath. That was fun. Bye!